Hello guys, today we'll talk about a model of phones you don't know about it. This phone is Unihertz Luna. Before begin, don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel and activate the notification bell to receive all videos. Number 1. The body. The body measures 168 by 76.8 times 10.4 mm and the phone weight 298 gram. Number 2. The screen. The screen here is IPS LCD display with size of 6.81 inches and a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and come with refresh rate 60 Hz and brightness reach to 414 nits. Number 3. The processor. It is powered by a MediaTek Helio G99. This means you can play games as PUBG Mobile Smooth, 40 frames per second, and in Call of Duty 30 frames per second in other games, and the phone have 3.5 mm headphone jack. Before entering the fourth point, I hope you don't forget to do like and subscribe, activate the notification bell. Number 4. The camera. One of the best cameras you can try is the cameras of this phone. The main camera in this phone 108 megapixel Samsung camera, second camera night vision 20 megapixel, third camera macro 2 megapixel. You will get a very beautiful picture with many details by this cameras and record video 1080 30 frames per second, but in front camera 32 megapixel record video 1080 30 frames per second also. Battery. The battery size is 5000 mAh with charger 18. Unfortunately charge 100% in 2.5 hours. Number 5. The price of Unihertz Luna phone is $210 version 256GB 8GB RAM. We'll find the purchase link in description. Thank you to watch to the end of video. Don't forget to do like and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.